Namaste and welcome to Vandana's kitchen. Diwali is approaching, and when we remember Diwali, a special dish is made called as Chiwda. So today we are going to make special crispy Chiwda. So let's go to the kitchen and see how to make it. Please come. Now here we have taken poha or thin rice flakes, then peanuts, then we have taken the roasted gram, then curry leaves. Curry leaves are very good for your eyes and hair, and it has got lot of A vitamin, so we are going to use ample of it. Then we have taken turmeric, then we have taken Himalayan pink salt, we have taken powdered sugar, we have taken oil, then we have taken hing or asafoetida, we have taken chiwda masala, raisins and cashews. Now we will start the preparation. Let's take some coconut and make a thin slices out of it, as much as thin you can make. Then we will cut the chilies and start the preparation. First we will dry roast the poha. Take a thick bottom pan and roast it on a slow to medium high heat. It should not get burned. It should become very crispy and transfer to a big pot. Now we will, in a kadai we will take some oil and put some peanuts and fry it. The peanut should be crispy and slightly pink colored. It should not get burnt, and it should not, the rawness should be removed. Now they have become proper. Transfer to a bowl and put some slices of coconut. Slices of coconut should be fried on a very low heat, otherwise they'll get burnt. Transfer to a bowl and put the dal and roast it. That should also be roasted slightly and transfer to a bowl. After that we will be putting cashews. Roast the cashews for a few minutes and transfer to a bowl. Then we will put the raisins. Put the raisins for just few seconds and transfer to a bowl. After that we will put some oil and we will put the mustard seeds, and then we will put some cut chilies. Take the chilies according to your taste. If you don't want very hot, you can adjust the quantity. Now put the curry leaves. Curry leaves should be roasted until they become crispy. It should not be raw. Now they have become crispy. Now we will add hing or asafoetida. Now we are putting the turmeric. Now we are putting the roasted peanuts. And stir it. Now we are putting the roasted chana dal. You get a special dal for chiwda. Then we are putting the roasted coconut slices and we are putting the cashews. Stir it in between, and now we are putting the raisins. Again stir. Now we are putting the chiwda masala. You can take it as per your taste. And we are putting the Himalayan pink salt. Now again we have to stir it, and now we are adding some powdered sugar. That also you can adjust the taste as per your taste. Stir it again, mix it properly. On a very low heat we are doing all this. It should not, take care that it should not get burnt. Now we will take it out from the gas and mix it in the poha in the large pot. Transfer it and mix it properly. It should be thoroughly mixed. Mm. So our chiwda is ready. Now let us transfer it to a serving dish and ask it how it is done.
Oh, very tasty. Superb.
Hi, if you like my dish, please press like button, and if you are liking this content, please subscribe now, and I will keep you updated on my future videos. If you have any suggestions, please write in the comment box, and I'll will try to give you those dishes. Again, thanks for watching this video.